What's up, guys? I'm gonna give a major shout out to Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, and Ariella for Done For You service. Now, Wesley always says in his videos that service to many leads to greatness. Now, there are a lot of companies out here right now during this pandemic that are providing a beautiful, wonderful service to you and everybody, but they're being compensated and they're being great at the same time. And that's what Done For You service is going to do. When you first start, they're going to jumpstart your business. They're going to keep you motivated somehow, somewhat, but that's up to you at the end of the day. And number 3, the goal here is to make some money, so that's what they're going to do for you. So, but you must start today. Stop thinking about it. Take action. You must speak to yourself. You are a winner. You are a risk taker. You are courageous. Come on, let's go.